Ahoy, hoy, everyone, it's Craig.
And Kylie.
And we are at the very first night of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party.
So excited!
It is hot and humid. It's not as bad as it's been before in the past.
I don't know, it's really warm.
Oh, but it's gonna be a great time. We have Mickey's Boo to You Halloween Parade. We have specialty fireworks, trick-or-treating, the Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular stage show.
Snacks.
Hopefully we'll have time for snacks. It's gonna be a very busy night. We're gonna try to see everything, do everything, and hopefully we don't go crazy trying to get it all done. Before we get started though, I want to remind you this is brought to you by Dreams Unlimited Travel. If you like our content and you want to support us, book a vacation through Dreams Unlimited Travel. Get a free no obligation quote today at dreamsunlimitedtravel.com. Now, let's not waste any more time. Let's boo this.
Let's boo this.
That's what it says on the map. So we're gonna boo this and get started with Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party 2022. Woo!
Happy Halloween.
Thank you. Happy Halloween. As you walk into Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party, you hit your first treat spot right away where you get the fancy candy. What do we get?
Crunchy cookie M&Ms.
Crunchy cookie M&Ms. And this year's candy bag is actually really fancy. It's like reusable. On the one side, it's 50th anniversary. On the other side, let's boo this.
Everyone's favorite phrase.
Yes.
Phrase.
Let's boo this. Okay, we are now going to hightail it to Frontierland because the Cadaver Dans have a performance at 7 o'clock right when the party starts. Let's go! There have been so many good costumes so far. Of course, you probably won't see any as we are walking in a not very crowded spot right now, but trust me, so many good costumes. Everyone is already in the Halloween spirit. What'd you say?
Rescue Ranger.
Where? I don't see it. Oh, I see them. I see them. They're off on the distance. Looks good. We got Chippendale.
Yeah, they're so good.
Yeah, they're good.
They're really good.
I'm not gonna creep on them, but there they are. You can see them. Or you can't. Okay, we're almost there. Cadaver Dans.
Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party has begun!
When somebody boos us, we like it.
Oh,
we like
we
it. Yeah,
sure
here,
do.
we got a whole song all about it.
Just wait.
To you, a boo, to you and 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 you. Hey! Folks, when I say hey, you say what? Hey! What? What kind of a ghost hangs out at a hen house?
What kind?
A poultry geist. Boo to you and boo to you and boo to you and boo to you and you.
Hey! What? What kind of pants does a ghost wear?
What kind?
Boo jeans!
Boo to you and 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 you.
Hey!
What?
What do you say when you meet a ghost?
What?
How do you boo, sir?
Boo to you and 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 you.
Hey! What? Why couldn't the vampire get any sleep at night?
Why?
The coffin.
For you, that's who, it's you, know who, of each and every one of you, happy Halloween. Oh yeah.
Yeah, gotta love those Cadaver Dans singing barbershop quartet style about Halloween and wilderness stuff. Always a great time. But now I am heading towards the hub area because I want to see how busy it is right now for Hocus Pocus, and then the parade after, and then the fireworks after. I'm gonna need to get a spot eventually. I just don't know if it's gonna be for this first show or later on. I'll check it out. And then I'll find Kylie because she went to find air conditioning during the Cadaver Dans. It is getting warm and toasty with all this running we're doing. Okay, to the hub we go. I am kind of shocked. There is no one near the partner statue, really. And as we turn towards the stage, there's also not really anyone waiting for the show right now. Granted, it's 7:20 and it doesn't actually begin until 8:35, I believe. It'll fill in eventually, but right now it is, it's actually really, really good. But I think I'll go trick or treat maybe, or find a specialty snack, I don't know. I found Kylie, so we are gonna go trick-or-treating, find our first spot. I believe it might be at Enchanted Tiki Room.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we will find out. I mean, I just wish we could watch the show. That's what I want to do during a limited time party. Just sit down
The Tiki Room.
and we'll watch the Tiki Room. Sounds like a great investment in time. There is a massive line here in Adventureland. Hopefully I don't get spit on by the camel. But the reason for this long, long line, of course, there is Jafar. Clever guy. And then over here, won't be able to see him obviously, he's too far in the distance. But we have all the way back there, it is Aladdin and Abu. But we're here for trick-or-treating, so okay, Enchanted Tiki Room up ahead. Get those bags out. Chose the one with the longest line. We are now back by Country Bear Jamboree for our second treat spot. Once again, a long line. Why do you keep choosing long lines? They are all long. They will get shorter at some point, but not right now. Just long lines. The absolute greatest of all time, Big Al.
Thank you so much. Have a great day. You too.
There were no bears inside, and that's because they're all outside. We got bears. I'm so happy right now. I'm just so incredibly happy. And now I get to meet my idol, Big Al. You are the greatest. You're the absolute greatest. I wish I could be 1/10 of who you are. Oh, no, thank you. I love him so much. Thanks for bearing with that little freak out that I just had. But now we are gonna head towards the hub once again and see if I can secure a spot for Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular. And yeah, it's still about less than an hour to go until it starts. But I'd rather get that spot than risk it. So let's go. We have our spot for both Hocus Pocus Villain Spectacular and then Boo to You. And we are not moving, and we'll probably just stay here for the fireworks too. It's way closer than I'd normally like to be, but we haven't really seen Jack Skellington up close.
I'm so excited for that.
The only night we saw him up close was in 2019 when everything was modified because of a hurricane. And so we saw him, but we didn't see fireworks. So it's gonna be something new tonight.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll get fireworks and Jack Skellington.
We can only hope.
We can only hope. So, a little while to go, but for you, it'll feel like it's no time until the show.
friends. Tonight on All Hallows Eve, your world and the magical world collide for but one night. A night filled with a little trick, a little treat, and a bit of hocus pocus.
And when I look out my window, so many different people to be. That is strange, so strange. You've got to pick up every stitch. You've got to pick up every stitch, yeah. Two rats run in the darkness. Oh no, must be the season of my way. Must be the season of my way. Must be the season of my way.
We are back in the living world.
Ah, the living world.
Yes, don't you understand? We have harnessed the magic found within this kingdom to come back for but one night.
When that's all I need.
And we shall make it a grand night.
Winnie.
Of spellbinding tricks and treats.
Winnie.
And night that will all be Winnie! What is it, Mary?
I smell children. Children. There's so many of them. They're all dressed like...
Of course there are. Children. Tell me, dumplings, what is the year? I said, what year is it? Sisters, it has been 29 years since we have last returned.
We're getting better at this.
And it is All Hallows Eve, our favorite time of year.
But Winnie,
Yes.
remember what happened on our last Halloween?
We turned to dust. Yes. Do not remind me.
Sorry, Winnie.
And that is why we have returned to celebrate Halloween and throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen. But we will need some help.
Oh, Sarah.
I was thinking the same thing, dear sister.
Sicko.
Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment. Come, little children, the time's come to play here in my garden of magic. Here in my garden of magic.
Well done, Sister Sarah. I knew I kept you around for a reason. Now, let's get this party started. We will need the spell for the Hocus Pocus party potion. The spell, sisters, hand me the spell.
What spell?
What spell?
Yes.
The spell I asked you to hold on to give to me at a time like this.
Oh, she has it.
No, hang on. We can't find it, Winnie.
Why have I been cursed with such sisters?
Perhaps some chocolate will cheer you up.
What is this?
Chocolate? Dark chocolate, the only candy I like.
No, this. It's the spell! Is it? And what is it doing wrapped around Halloween chocolate?
I don't know.
Oh, enough is lost enough time as it is. Sisters, to the cauldron.
Right. Meow.
Pretty! What is the first ingredient, Sarah?
Sinister shadows.
Sinister shadows.
As dark as midnight and as mysterious as the unknown.
Very good, Sarah. Sinister shadows. Yes.
Hello, ladies.
There's a man lurking in the shadows, Winnie. Oh, man. And who are you?
A tip of the hat from the one and only Dr. Facilier, also known as the Shadow Man.
He's got friends on the other side.
The cards will tell.
Tell me.
The past, the present, and the future as well. The cards. Just take 3.
We'll take these.
Take a little trip into your future with me. Shake my hand. Come on, girls. Won't you shake a poor sinner's hand?
Why we love to?
Yeah. Are you ready? Are you ready? Transformation Central. Reformation Central. Transmogrification Central. Can you feel it? You're changing, all right. I hope you're satisfied. But if you ain't, don't blame me. You can blame my friends on the other side.
My Hocus Pocus Ball devotion is coming together. Thank you, Dr. Facilier.
I like him.
Focus! Yes, what is the next dastardly ingredient? Ferris Mears. Ferris Mears. What is that? Some kind of horse?
Wait, there was some chocolate smudged over the way.
There's a chocolate smudged over the way. Give me that.
Winnie, do we need to hold a calming circle?
Yes.
I am calm.
Now we're not being honest with myself. Take that hand. Come on.
Oh, you fools, there's no time. The ingredients. Read me the ingredients.
Fine.
Nefarious nightmares, as terrifying as the shadow on the moon at night, filling dreams to the brim with fright. Come in!
What have we here?
What? I might ask the same thing of you. What are you?
What? I'm just little old Oogie Boogie is all. You know, the shadow on the moon at night, filling your dreams to the brim with fright.
Winnie! Nefarious nightmares.
Yes. And what makes you so scary, you overstuffed potato sack?
I'm the stuff of your worst nightmare.
Well, we don't have nightmares. We call nightmares.
You're joking. I can't believe my eyes.
Please pardon this interruption. Due to current wicked weather conditions, this performance of Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular cannot continue. We regret any inconvenience this may cause and hope you enjoy the rest of your evening.
Taking it all in.
Hey, look, it's Erica.
Hi.
How are you enjoying the party?
You know, it was good, and then it started raining, and this is truly Halloween.
This
It's supposed to be. It's scary.
is Halloween.
Yep, it's spoopy, it's scary, it's a little cold,
Yep.
but it's okay. I got some treats.
Ooh.
No tricks, but treats. Saw Cadaver Dans. Those were fun. Rode Pirates of the Caribbean. Saw the live actors. Couldn't hear them. I saw them. They were cute. They were fun. Just couldn't really hear them well. And then rain in the middle of Hocus Pocus. I was getting really into it. And then, bam, bye, rain. They said, we're ending. And then no boot to you. So now I'm sad. Sad in the rain. I could cry and no one would know. That's how much it's raining. The rain. Not your tears. Oh my God.
Okay.
No.
Time to go.
Let's go. It's time to leave. We're out.
As you heard from Erica, Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular was canceled right in the middle. You also probably figured that out as well too. And then the 9:15 parade was canceled. We are currently 40 minutes away from the 10:15 fireworks. I mean, it's just getting worse, so I can't imagine that those actually happen. So we're gonna go try to find some safety, maybe head towards Monsters, Inc. I'm sure there's already 900 people in there, but I mean, right now with it lightning like this, my wife's carrying around a tripod while pregnant. She's gonna get struck by lightning. It's gonna be on me. That's not good. Time to make better decisions, Craig. Make better decisions. Okay, real fast. Give me your best Roz impression.
I'm not good at this one.
Do it.
Always watching. That was so bad.
Yeah, that was really bad. Erica, your turn.
I'm always watching.
Now you?
I'm not gonna do it.
Okay, fair enough.
I'm just here for candy.
Hi, trick or treat. Happy Halloween. Hi there. Happy Halloween.
Thank you so much.
What's up with that one too?
That would be
Alright,
Thank you so much. I already got some.
Thank you. I know you don't like to be scared. You want to know who's a serious trick-or-treater? A serious trick-or-treater? Oh, okay, I want to see one. Yeah. Parachute in, grab the candy, parachute out. Nice. Yep. That's the mark of a true professional. Wow. Hey, Ella. What, Ella? Boom! Get away, Jonah! I wouldn't have just seen you really scared. Who's scared me? I forgot you were there. I was trying to see if I would fit into the human world and scare people. I think you'd fit in. Yeah. I do too. Yeah. What else we got? Oh, there's quite a few people still coming in over here on this side. Yeah. Hi, everyone. Welcome. Oh, that's a friendly. That human in green is not ripe yet, though. Oh no. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you right there. Coming in the door. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. Hi. He's leading the whole parade of people.
It's now 20 minutes until fireworks, and it is steadily raining. Not sure about the lightning right now, but I don't think fireworks are happening. So, getting to the point where you gotta figure out what to do. This party might be a bust at this point.
Good evening, trick-or-treaters. A hex of inclement weather has delayed our not-so-spooky spectacular. We thank you for your understanding and do hope to begin as soon as possible. Once again, our presentation of Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular has been delayed. We hope to begin as soon as possible. Thank you.
The story that you are about to be told is one for both the young and the old. Unlike anything you've ever seen. Get ready, for this is Halloween!
Something strange, come with us and you will see. This is our town of Halloween. It's Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. Skeleton Jack might catch you in the back and scream like a bat, make you jump out.
here. For I, Jack Skellington, have a tale to tell. Yes, Halloween is a night filled with surprises. Playful tricks, frightful treats. Why, anything can happen on Halloween, as some friends found out on a night much like this one. Oh, but I'm getting ahead of myself. Oh, Zero! Here, boy! Zero! Where is that dog? Ah! There you are, Zero. It's time now to take our friends on a Halloween adventure. One they'll not soon forget.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat for Halloween. Better give that treat that's good to eat if you want to be nice-a-ree. Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. It's an awful fuss. If you smart, you'll hardly something sweet. You better be sweet to us.
Oh, Nikki, I just love trick-or-treating. All the costumes.
And the candy.
Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. It's scary. Well, maybe more not so scary, Donald. Let's go.
Trick or treat, trick or treat, trick or treat. All night through. Twinkle, twinkle, and slide is gone. Ring the bell on your front door. Better not be stingy or your nightmares will come true. Trick or treat.
Hey, look, a dog.
It's a ghost dog.
His collar says 0.
I think Zero wants us to follow him into that house.
Oh, no, pals. That house doesn't look very inviting.
This house is spooky.
Goofy, stop shaking. I'm not shaking. Well, if that's not you, then who is it?
beautiful.
You said it.
This place isn't so spooky after all.
What have we here? You're in our world now, and it's Hookie's turn to boogie.
Hey, midgets, we kiss, we schmooze, we carry on, we go home happy. What do you say?
It's time Ursula took this party into her own tentacles.
Halloween tale filled with playful tricks and frightful treats, just as I promised. And Zero, you were very helpful indeed. You see, my friends, with a lot of adventure and a bit of fright, Halloween is the greatest of nights. Happy Halloween!
See something strange, only us and you will see. It's our Halloween. It's Halloween. Trick or treat, trick or treat. This is Halloween. Everybody make a scene. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Trick or treat, trick or treat. It's our town. Everybody scream. This is Halloween. Trick or treat, trick or treat.
We thank you for joining us for Disney's Not-So-Spooky Spectacular. As you carry on with your evening, we hope you continue to experience the playful tricks and frightful treats of Halloween. Please enjoy the rest of your night at Mickey's Not-So-Scary Halloween Party.
The plus side is the fireworks ended up going off after being delayed. The not so spooky spectacular. However, they just canceled the next performance of Hocus Pocus Villain Spelltacular, and it's iffy on what's going to happen with the parade. And then maybe they'll get the midnight Hocus Pocus show in, but I don't know. It's seeming like this rain is just kind of stuck here. Erica, say bye.
Bye! We had fun, but not really that much because it was raining a lot, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll do better next time.
Kylie, say bye.
Bye. It was so rainy, it was scary.
And that's going to do it for our first night's coverage of Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. As we were leaving, we did get to see Max goof his power line, so that was a little icing on the cake. But I do want to be fully transparent about something. When we left Monsters Inc. laugh floor and it was raining pretty hard, I really wanted to wait for fireworks. And Kylie and Erica did wait around too until the delay came in. Then they headed towards guest relations to see if there was any options to move tickets to another night. While they were in line for guest relations, that's when the fireworks went off. And ultimately, guest relations was working with everyone at the party tonight to change tickets to other dates if possible, just because of the weather and delays. So I really just wanted to make sure that I stated that. And no one ever wants this kind of bad weather at their party. It happens sometimes, and you know, it's unfortunate, but it's Florida. Crazy things happen. But that's it. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave comments, questions, and video suggestions in the comments section. If you want to support us more, you can book a trip through Dreams Unlimited Travel. Get a free no obligation quote today at dreamsunlimitedtravel.com. That's going to do it for us tonight here at Walt Disney World. We'll see you again real soon. Have a spooky time.